welcome. My name is Miss Elaine, and with me today is Miss Bella as well. And welcome to the Contra Costa County Library's Kindergarten Countdown 2025. Today we will be sharing all the fun activities that you'll find inside your kit. All of these activities are great for building your kindergarten readiness skills. We also created a Kindergarten Countdown webpage where you can watch some videos, download some more good things, and explore all the book lists. You'll find the link in your Kindergarten Countdown packet and also on the website.
All right, now let's sing a little hello song to get ourselves warmed up. Can you show me where your hands? Right here. Show me your hands. We're going to sing the song goes like this. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our kindergarten friends, we wave and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our kindergarten friends, we clap and sing hello. All right, nice job, everyone. So now we're ready to open up our bags and start finding what goodies we have inside. The first thing you want to pull out is this instruction sheet. This has a list of all the activities we're going to do today and the different materials you'll need. And like Elaine said, it also has a link where you can find these materials on the website too. And now Miss Elaine will show us our first activity.
So our first activity is the cutting sheet activity. Can you find your cutting sheet activity? It should look like this. This one, it says cutting sheet right on top and has little different pictures. Here, you're going to bring out your scissors. Do you have the scissors? Here are mine. And then you're going to go ahead and follow the dotted line and cut your sheet together. This is going to practice your fine motor skills, okay? All right, should we do one? We'll do one together, and then there's a bunch of other ones that you can do later as well. So I'm going to do this one with a pencil. So I'm going to follow that dotted line. Good job. There it is. And there's a curved line you can practice. There's another straight line, some zigzags, and even a big old curve. Doesn't that sound fun? So go ahead and continue to practice your cutting with this cutting sheet. We have other activities in our packet as well. One of those fun ones that you could do, this one is our spectacular spectacles. And on this one, you'll be able to decorate them in your own creative way. You can also practice your early literacy skill of talking. And how do we do that? We're going to play a game of I Spy. So first, what you're going to do is that you're going to color in your spectacular spectacles, color them in, cut them out, put them together, and they'll maybe look something like these guys. I made some spectacles here. I colored the side, and then you can put them on. Maybe you can put them on. It's a little hard. You can put them on, and then maybe should we play a game of I Spy? Let's see if I can, if you can help me out, and we will play a game of I Spy. Do you see that? Do you see? We're in a brand new room. Do you spy something with your spectacular spectacles? Spy something that is red? Hmm, maybe something that floats in the air? Do you see anything that's red and floats in the air? Did I hear you say balloon? Yes, it's a balloon. So you can do lots of tucking with your spectacular spectacles. You can go outside and see what other fun things that you spy. We also have another activity called the Marvelous Me finger puppet. And this one is what it looks like. You can go ahead and decorate and color your puppets in. When you're done, you're going to cut out your Marvelous Me, and maybe you can even make it look like yourself. And then with this puppet, you can do some great practice your talking skills and practice your playing skills as well. Maybe it will look something like this. Does this look like me? My hair is usually curly, but it's not curly today. But that's what that looks like. I'm gonna put my little puppet in, and maybe you can talk to each other with your Marvelous Me puppet. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling marvelous. Yeah. some great ways for you to play together with each other and with your grown-up. All right. Other fun things in the packet that can help you practice your writing skills. We have these blank booklets in here, and in here you can use your crayons or markers or pencils or anything else that you have that you can write with. You can, what are some ideas that you can put in here? Maybe you can draw your favorite animal, or maybe your favorite. Maybe even you can tell a story with any things with this that you want. For example, let's see, what is this? This is the letter T. You can practice your letters in here. You can tell what's something that starts with T. Maybe tigers. Maybe can you tell a story with a tiger and things like that. What else can we do? We can make, here's another little drawing that I did. There's me, this is my house, and it's a nice sunny day. And I can tell a story with this fun blank book. You can draw, scribble, and practice letters and anything like that. Well, Miss Bella, there were so many fun things there, but there's even more. What else is in our packet today?
Yes, that's right. We're going to be working now with some Play-Doh. So fun. So the first thing you'll need to find is your little cup of Play-Doh. You can see mine is pink. I've got it right here. You're also going to need your sheet protector, this clear plastic thing here. And you'll need some sheets too. The first one we're going to do are your vowel letter sheets. We're going to be building some letters together with our Play-Doh, which is a great way to practice our fine motor skills while also getting ready to read and write. You can see I've got my letters, my vowels. This is the letter U I'm going to be working on. And if you'd like, you can put this here inside the sheet protector. It fits inside. And that's going to keep your paper nice while we are working with the Play-Doh. I'm going to open mine up. It's a little tricky. You might need help from a grown-up to open it. And get all my Play-Doh out here. And start shaping it into some letters. Here we go. I'm going to be working on this letter U right here. You could pick a different one if you'd like. And parents, a really great way as you're reading together to start making children more aware of the words on the page is to track words with your finger as you're reading aloud. That's a little quick tip as you're sharing stories together. Okay, you can see I made this pink letter U right there. And we're going to do another one with Play-Doh, okay? This one here is all about our sound games and our sound box. So the first thing I'd like you to find is this sheet here called Fun with Sound. You're going to notice it has some pictures down on the bottom here. Can you find that? Great. So during these games, we're going to be playing with the sounds in different words, and that's going to be a great way for us to practice our pre-literacy skills so that we can get ready to learn how to read. We'll be stretching out the sounds of words, we'll be blending them together, and we'll be practicing listening to different sounds. So first, let's take a look at these 4 pictures I have here. We're going to play a game called What's the Word? Can we name them? What do we see? I see a little seal, a fan, a leaf, and a nut. And I'd like you to listen as I stretch out a word really long and see if you can tell which one of these words I'm saying. It's going to sound different because it's going to sound very slow. Alrighty. I'm going to say fan. Fan. You say it with me? Fan. Now, which word was that we have here? Can you point to it? There we go. This one right here. Fan. Fan. All right. Nice job. We can keep working on that one, make it a little bit trickier by picking out which one of the pictures has a certain beginning, ending, or middle sound. So let's say Which one of these guys here? Which one starts with the sound s? With this one? No. Seal. Seal starts with the S sound. That's right. Very good. Okay. I'm going to switch back over now, and we're going to be working with our sound box sheet that looks like this. So go ahead and get that out. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and switch over my sheet protector here. And we're going to start to work with our Play-Doh. So for this one, go ahead, take your Play-Doh, and we're going to make 3 little Play-Doh balls. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to put one in each of these boxes here. This game that we're going to play is called Mash the Sound. And I'm going to stretch out a word again. And as I stretch it out, we're going to mash down the Play-Doh for each sound, for the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound. So this word that I'm saying is sun. I'm going to mash them down as I hear s, mm, sun. What word is that? Can you guess? So again, sun. Did you guess it? Sun. That's right, sun, like the sun. Now let's take them all together again. We're going to mash them up. And this time we're going to play a game called Break It Down. We're going to see if we can stretch a word out and then break it down into its separate sounds. So how many sounds do we hear in the word mad? Mad. Let's stretch it out a little bit so we can hear better. Mad. Mad. How many sounds do we hear? I'm going to put a little piece of Play-Doh into each box where I hear a sound. First, I hear ah, duh. That's 3 sounds we've got here. Mad, mad. Nice job. All right. So with our little Play-Doh balls here in their 3 different boxes, we're going to play a game called Where is the Sound? We've got our 3 boxes with our 3 lumps of Play-Doh. We're going to try to figure out, is this sound going to be in the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or at the end of the word? And then we'll mash down the piece of Play-Doh where we think that sound is. Are you ready? Okay. Our word is nut. Where would we find the n sound in the word nut? Nut. Where is it? Nut. I think it's up here. Right here in the first box. That's right. And you can keep playing that game, practicing with the middle sounds and the end sounds of really all different kinds of words. And that's a really great way to start training our ears to hear the different sounds, and then that'll translate later into reading letters. All right. Great job, everyone. I'm going to come back up to show my face, and then we're going to go over to Elaine for our next activity.
Now we're going to do another activity that practices our singing skills. And the singing skill helps us to, like Miss Bella said, helps to train our ears so we can listen to different sounds, listen to them into different rhythms, and listen so that we can hear the different sounds and pronounce them together. So we're going to look for our egg shaker. So here's mine. Mine's orange. So we're going to go ahead and put something in your egg shaker so that it can make some noise and make some sounds, make some music. So you can put any small little bits and bobs in your egg shaker that will make noise. Things like dry rice, some beans, cereal, things like that, little wooden beads, little Legos if you have Legos. I have at my desk some little binder clips, and so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 3 of them in my egg shaker. I'm going to close it up. It's going to make a sound. I'm going to shake it. Maybe let's listen to what it sounds like. There it is. There it is. So maybe let's use the egg shaker to practice singing a song. What if we sang the wheels on the bus, but everything went shake, shake, shake instead of going round and round and round. Should we sing it together? Make the wheels go shake, shake, shake. Ready? The wheels on the bus go shake, shake,
Shake,
shake,
shake,
shake,
shake,
shake,
shake,
shake.
shake.
Shake,
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 shake.
shake.
The
The
wheels
wheels
on
on
the
the
bus
bus go
go
shake,
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 shake.
shake all through the town. And you can make different things on the bus go shake. Maybe the horn go shake. Maybe the windshield wipers go shake. And if there's snakes on that bus, maybe even the snakes go shake. So it's great to practice along with those rhythms. You can shake it along with the rhythm of the song. You can hear the different sounds together. So I invite you to make some music and shake along with every song that you sing. Alrighty. What else? So, did you guys have lots of fun today? We went through so many things. Feel free to go back and watch each part that you're interested in. Go through again. Feel free to pause little parts so that you can color things in, so that you can find your pieces and unpack your kit along with us. We loved singing and playing with you today. So hopefully you can use these activities to practice and explore together to get you ready for kindergarten. So now that we've come to the end of our time, we should sing our goodbye song. And you should know it because it's the same as our hello song. Isn't that great? Nice way to end the
That's
time.
right.
So, Miss Bella, how does it go again?
That's right. We're going to need our hands. We're going to do some waving for this song. Goes like this. We wave and sing goodbye. We wave and sing goodbye.
Goodbye.
With our
With our
kindergarten
kindergarten
friends, we
friends, we
wave and
wave and
sing
sing
goodbye.
goodbye.
All right. Nice job, everyone. Bye bye. See you at a library.